In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a touch of customization to your Microsoft Word documents by inserting and personalizing symbols. We'll be focusing on adding check marks and X symbols, which are particularly useful for lists, forms, and any document where you want to visually indicate completion or errors. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. This is the document where you intend to add these vivid symbols. Once you have your document open, you'll head over to the Insert tab, which is located in the ribbon at the top of your screen. This tab is your gateway to adding all sorts of interesting elements to your document, from pictures and tables to symbols, which is what we're focusing on today. Now, within the Insert tab, you'll see an option labeled Symbols on the far right. Clicking on this will give you quick access to recently used symbols. But what we are really interested in is the More Symbols option. When you click on More Symbols, you'll find yourself in a window that provides an extensive range of symbols you can choose from. This includes everything from smiley faces and arrows to various currency symbols. For the purpose of our task today, you'll want to find the check mark and the X symbol from this selection list. Once you've inserted them into your document, you might find that the symbols don't stand out as much as you'd like them to, so let's add a splash of color to make them pop. To do this, head over to the Home tab on your ribbon. Here, you will select the checkmark symbol with your cursor. Once it's highlighted, you can change the font color by clicking on the font color icon, which resembles a letter A with a line beneath it. Choose the color green to give your checkmark a positive, vibrant look. In a similar fashion, select the X symbol. With it highlighted, once again click on the font color icon and select red. This color choice is great for indicating errors or items that need attention, giving your document both visual appeal and functionality. And with that, you're done. You've successfully added and customized checkmark and X symbols in your Word document. This simple yet effective enhancement can greatly improve the way information is presented in your documents, making them not only more engaging, but easier to interpret at a glance. This method can be particularly useful for creating instructional content, progress reports, or any document where clarity is key. Remember, the little details can make a big difference in effective communication. Thanks for tuning in, and happy customizing.